Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day you're watching this. This is Grumpy's Workshop. Welcome to all the new subscribers. In today's video, I'm not sure what I'm going to be making, but as you can see in front of me, I've got a load of old particle board or chipboard, whatever you want to call it. These were some old kitchen cabinets that were going to be thrown away. So I've set myself a challenge that I'm going to put something together that's going to be useful for the workshop. I'm not sure what exactly at the moment, so I'm going to sit down, rack my brains and try and come up with an idea. So stick around. And I don't know about you guys, but my brain always works better after a nice cup of coffee. So I've decided to make some small shelves to hold screws and sanding pads. So I start by ripping what will be the outside of the shelves and the uprights down to size. Then the individual pieces were stacked up and cut down to their final lengths. And basically what I've done is I've used my set square to measure from the outside of the base to the edge of the blade, and then I've drawn a line that far apart from where I need to make the groove. Set my router up a few mil, probably about 5-6 mil, and because I need the grooves to be 15 mil, this is actually a 16 mil cutter in here, so I should just need to make one pass, which makes it a lot easier. Then I could just sand down the edges of the grooves just to get rid of any tear out. Then I could use my homemade clamps to clamp the pieces in position while I pre-drilled, countersunk and screwed the pieces together. And there's my first mistake. Just went to fit the middle shelves, and as you can see, at first I thought I'd cut them too short, but then I realised my mistake. One side of this was meant to be slightly up, so it's level with that. And after rectifying my mistake, I could then position the uprights that would hold the shelves, and they were just fitted with screws. All I'm doing with the individual shelves is knocking them in. There's going to be no nails used or glue. It's just all, I mean, they go in fairly tight, so I'm not going to bother fixing them in. They just need a little bit of persuasion. So that's basically how it looks at the moment. There are a few little gaps here and there, but they're small enough that it's not really going to make a difference. I did make one error while I was routing the grooves. I don't know whether it shows up on this camera, but this shelf right here is crooked. It's a bit hard to show it on the see if you can see it from the front. See, it's crooked. Only a fraction, but I ain't gonna worry about it. And like I say, there are a few little gaps, but all this is going to be covered up. It's good enough for what I want anyway. Right, now what I'm going to do is just put a tiny bit of glue, because I haven't got a lot of glue, around the edges, and then I'm covering up these bits with some OSB, just to kind of cover up the edges and so it match with the rest of the workshop. And I'm just basically going to glue and brad nail these on. No fancy mitered corners or anything like that. Just simply nailing them on, and that is it. Right, that's going to wrap it up from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I thought I'd post this one because I'm waiting for a couple of items to turn up in the post, and I have some exciting videos coming up. Well, more exciting than this one anyway. So thanks to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel. All the usual subscribers, thanks for subscribing and watching the videos. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. And if you want to see what the upcoming videos are and what I'm waiting for in the post, then be sure to watch out for the next few videos. Cheers for watching, guys.